Hi, my name is Norm Bova. I'm the electrical instructor here at Forbes Road Career and Technical Center. Normally, we'd have you in here for a hands-on tour, let everyone go over to our shop and take a look at what we have, see some of the tools that we're using. Unfortunately, with the current pandemic, we can't do that right now. My contact information is available and will be posted on our website, and it will be shown at the end of the tour. Please feel free to get in touch with me here at the school if you have any questions. Hopefully everyone here enjoys the tour. Again, please contact us if you have any questions about any of our programs here at Forbes Road. Thank you. Hi, Ms. Bishak. Good morning. Welcome to Electrical Technology.
Thank you.
My name is Mr. Bova. You know that, but some of the students don't. Please, come on in.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Okay, some of the things that we have going on right now. Isaac's going to take over here for me in a little bit, but these are some of the things that we work on a daily basis. These right here, we have some traffic signals that were donated. We have the students working on. Isaac and his partner that's working next door right now, and we'll go see Michael in a minute. They're going to be mounting this on a wall right above the door. It was a walk, don't walk sign originally. I think what we're doing is we're going to make it a shop, no shop sign. And this way we'll know when we're working over in the shop.
Awesome.
Isaac's been working on this though. He's one of my seniors.
All right, hi.
Hi, like you said, I'm Isaac. So we're gonna put this up with conduit.
What's conduit?
Conduit is like metal tubing that we use to like put wires through.
Okay.
So it protects the wires basically.
Right.
We're gonna put it right above the door, like you said. There's actually some conduit over there on the TV.
Okay. So that has all the wires contained in it?
Yeah, yeah.
So is this already working, or do you have to fix it up to work?
Light? Actually, I tried to light it actually.
Actually, right now it is completely functional. It was when I took it down. We took them, company that I worked for over the summer, worked out of the bucket truck. We took them down, and they donated them to us, put the new ones up. So these are the students that are just working on these right now, something just to get an idea of what's going on.
So like if the traffic lights go out in your town, electricians are working on them.
Most certainly. Something that we saw though, and we've been talking about, this one here is actually an old style incandescent bulb, much like the students' parents grew up with. The ones that are in here, these are LED. Why do we go to LED, Isaac?
Because like you said, with this light, they don't blow up.
They don't blow up like that. So, number one, I have less maintenance costs, correct?
Yeah.
So I don't have to go out and fix it. I don't have to go out Christmas Eve because the traffic signals aren't working down at, down Haymaker Village. So we go to LEDs, and the students are working on their LED lighting as well. We also have some LEDs back here in our trainer.
Oh, nice. Let's go take a look at that.
Okay. You know what? Chris has been working on that before. Chris can tell you a little bit about that.
Chris,
Okay,
what grade are you in?
I'm actually a senior here.
And what school do you go to?
I come from Highlands.
Highlands, okay.
So this is our trainer board. We bring it to the different schools to show them like some of the stuff we do in here.
Nice.
We got a four-way switch hooked up here. So you can do it from 3 different locations in this circumstance.
Oh yeah, like if you're at your home, you have like a light at the bottom of the steps, and then you go up and have the light at the top of the steps.
Yep.
And that's called 3-way
Yep.
switches?
Yep. And in this circumstance, we have 3. You can put as many as you want.
Okay.
To turn on the light from as many places as you want. And then we got the LEDs. This is the controller for it down here. And then right here is like a GFCI. This is what you'd put in like your bathroom just in case anything like trips out.
Oh, right, okay.
Let's say if you plug in like a hair dryer and something else and it, then we got
So
the
these are
doorbell.
all very different wiring components.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we got the doorbell here. You'd have like the front door and then your back door. They have different like rings so that way you know which, direction it's
Right.
coming from. It is, which.
And then
direction
this like the
door's
small little breaker box.
Yep. You can turn everything off or.
Nice.
And yeah, that's basically the gist of it.
Very cool. Jacob's Ladder. Let's go check out the shop area.
Well, my problem here is this is a 3/4 inch hole.
Hi again. So what are we doing over here?
The first years are working on their circuits.
So you're brand new, so this is how you're starting out.
Yeah, so he's putting in 2 3-way switches right now.
Okay. Kind of like what I just saw on that big board over there. Did you know any electrical before you got here?
Very little.
Very little.
Yeah.
Feel like you're grasping it well? Good. And where do you go to school?
East Allegheny.
Okay.
You wanna try this?
What am I doing?
Just cut this wire right about here.
So you did all this. You made all this. All right. This is a wire cutter.
Yep. You can cut like right here.
Actually,
Right there? Oh, you put it in
Yeah.
right there? In there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. Huh. That was easy. But do you have to know the order of all these colors? Does that matter?
Not about the order, just what they do.
What they do?
Yeah. Like the black wire is the load. This is the ground. Almost certain that's hot. Or one of
Okay.
those. Yeah. And then you hook the ground up.
Did you have any knowledge coming into the program?
Not really, other than like family
Mm-hmm.
or like in the trades.
Right. Right. So you've done all this as well.
Yeah. So I got 2 3-way switches, and then I'm putting in 2
What this is it's a Vandy graph generator. This actually works with static electricity. It actually has a potential of over 300,000 volts, but in static electricity, not in normal
Okay.
current flow. But what we do is we turn this on, this belt that's inside here that we can see through the clear tube. What it does, it strips electrons. And what happens is it leaves this positively charged. Emily's going to step up on here, and she is not grounded. So as long as she's not grounded, no problema. We pull this out. You all right? You ready?
So ready.
All right, hold on. Yeah.
So it's going to be like a shock, like you would get shocked.
Yeah, you kind of get shocked doing it.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to do is I'm grounding it out. I'm going to hold on to this so I'm getting shocked. Okay. So Emily can touch that ball now. She is not grounded. But when I take this ball off of here, it's all going to go through her.
Oh. Wow.
You know what? I got a great idea. This would be a good way to cut your hair. You just put it all up in the air, and then all we're going to do is cut like the top 2 inches.
Do you feel
off.
anything? Oh, I can feel it.
I feel it, yeah.
I can feel it coming off of you. Wow.
Once again, don't let go. Once again, okay, now you can let go. So I took the stock on that one, so Emily didn't get. Once again, just some of the projects the students are starting to work on, all of their switches. Once we finish this up, we're going to be moving them into the booths where they will start mounting boards. They'll mount their panel boards and get ready to move on out of here. What we work on in here is mostly residential. We also work with commercial and some industrial electric.
So mostly homes or electricity in your homes.
Mostly electricity in your homes. Some of the students, hey, I don't know if I want to be an electrician. Well, when you get out of here and you think about buying a home, a lot of people buy older homes. That's how I started out. A lot of people now are flipping homes.
Right.
Something like this is great knowledge to have. The time that you spend in here, money that can be made outside of here, and I try to explain that all the time. To my students back here,
Hi guys.
working on some personal equipment, tools that they had brought in from home,
Oh, they're just not working anymore and then trying to fix them?
trying to fix them in
okay.
here in school.
Some power tools.
Correct. Non-battery operating. These are all plug-in electrical tools.
So a lot of this in the electrical field is troubleshooting and trying to figure out what the issue is. So
Excellent.
taking
Very
something apart,
Correct.
figuring the issue, repairing, and putting it back together.
I was always good at taking stuff apart. These guys
Yeah.
now are learning to put it all back together. both Connor and Tyler here have been working on these. I encourage them that if they want to bring in equipment from home, we can work on it. We document everything.
Right.
I'm more than happy to give these guys in-class credit for just
So
stuff like
did
this.
you figure out the issue for that tool yet?
Yeah, we just needed a new cord for it.
And is that something you can do?
Yeah.
Great.
We did the other one. We did a grounder earlier today.
Actually, Connor and Tyler fixed a grinder a little bit earlier. This is an industrial. We have our conduit back here. We also have our pipe threader. We're going to start using that very shortly. On this, we just got approval from the school. This is a wind generator.
Okay.
We're going to mount this on the back side of the school right here. We're going to generate our own electricity in here.
Nice.
It's low voltage, not a lot of power there. But
Yeah.
it's something to train them with. I believe that this is the next wave, renewable energy, both wind, solar, and even water. This is the next stage.
Right.
Europe, a lot of European countries, England, Ireland, they're using almost 30% of the electricity they use in their country, they generate from wind.
Now, you hear a lot of talk about green technology. Is that green technology?
This is green.
That's
Renewable
green.
technology, better for the planet.
Right.
We're not burning coal. We're using Mother Nature, what they give us. Wind, water, and the sun. So we have the solar trainer next door as well, but all the students get a chance to work on
All
all
right,
of
let's
these.
go this way and check it out. All right, so just looking at some of the different projects students have done here. All right, so any younger student that's watching this video, is there anything you think they should know about this field or this program? Anything you want to tell them?
It's entertaining.
It's entertaining.
It's fun to be in.
That's good to know.
Yes.
So you're learning and having fun.
Yes, it's an enjoyable experience.
So, you know, you do have some book work, but then you also do a lot of hands-on as well,
Yeah.
right? And that's what you like a lot too.
Yeah, because that's like the best way to learn, really.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thank you guys for showing me around. Let me do a little hands-on. Tool room. All the different lights they learn how to work on. And I believe, is this alarm still here? Yeah. I'm going to set up an alarm. They wired up an alarm here too. So that's something else you can learn in this program. So let's set the alarm off and see what happens. There we go. We did it.